I'm cooking very tasty beef biryani. First we will cook meat, half kg meat. Added some spices, coriander, cumin, black cardamom, green cardamom, bay leaf. Beef stock is ready. These are biryani ingredients. 1 cup yogurt, green chili paste, 2 or 3 according to your taste, tomatoes 3 or 4, green chili, ginger garlic paste, add some spices, red chili powder half teaspoon, green cardamom, star anise, soaked basmati rice half kg. Let's start. Tomatoes in golden brown onion cooked 2 or 3 minutes. Add green chilies. Ginger garlic paste and spices. Cover it. Cook 2 or 3 minutes. Add yogurt. Now I am adding beef stock, yakhni. Now I am adding soaked rice. Salt half teaspoon. Cooked. Add food color. Food color is optional. Few drops essence. If you like my video, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Two or 3 minutes more cook. Beef biryani is ready to eat. Very tasty and tempting. Thanks for watching.